Our lesson in making a chicken stock, we're just going to get your carcass, pop it into a pot. We've got those knuckles there, just going to put them in as well. And cold water, enough to cover the carcass, and then a little bit more. I love the power of that tap. You're always going to obviously end up with a little bit of evaporation when you're doing a stock that you can top up a little bit. You're going to have 2 chickens, so you might need a slightly bigger pot. And then we're just going to pop it on flame and bring it to the boil. Preparing your vegetable bits for your stock. Only part really, just get rid of this bit of carrot, it can be a little bit bitter. No need to peel them, just chop them into some rough chunks. Same for your celery. This is all really just for flavour and nothing else, so it doesn't matter about how you decide to chop it. Onions, take the bottom off. Any of this kind of dodginess here will come off, but otherwise keeping the skin. Just going to again into rough quarters. Skin's good. This will make your stock just go a little bit brown, give it that nice brown colour. And watch Chef try and open the bay leaves. And a bay leaf or 2. So as you can see here, the stock's coming up to the boil. We're starting to get some gunk and impurities around the side. Always have a jug with a scoop, some kind of ladle or a soup spoon, just to take all this stuff off around the top. And letting there. Oops. There's just bits of fat and general gunk of the chicken. It will kind of keep happening throughout the process of your stock, so every once in a while it's giving it a little clean, little skim off the top. Okay, we'll do that. And we're just going to carefully pop the veggies in. Then just turning that down, and if you were just making a standard chicken stock, we would have that on for about 3 or 4 hours. Best thing about it is the fantastic aroma you get through your kitchen and your whole house. I'm going to strain off some of this stock through a fine sieve. Obviously watch out for all that falling in there, it can make a bit of a splash. Watch yourself for burning and not burning.